Hello everyone, this is Aishwarya and welcome to Beauty with Coach. So guys, we covered linked list traversal, we covered linked list insertion. So today we are going to cover linked list deletion. Okay, so what we are going to do? Here we are going to delete a node from already existing linked list. Okay, so from where we can delete? We can delete from beginning, we can delete from end, and we can delete from desired position, isn't it? So we will start with deletion from the beginning. Okay, so we are going to delete the first element of already existing linked list. Okay, so we are going to delete the first node of already existing linked list. So if you are ready, let's get started. So guys, now we are going to delete from beginning. Okay, but there may be possible or you may have a linked list with 0 nodes. Okay, so yes, this is the first case that in this linked list you don't have any node. Your head is pointing to null or your head is pointing to nowhere and you are asked to delete the first node, isn't it? So what you will do? You will do nothing. You don't have your first node, so you don't need to return anything, isn't it? So you will do nothing. You will simply return 0 or you will leave it as it is, because you cannot delete from a linked list where no node is present, isn't it? I hope you understood the first part. Now the second case, you have only one node in your linked list. Okay, so yes, now you have only one node in your linked list and you are asked to delete the first node. So this node is the first one only, isn't it? So it means you have to delete this. So what you will do? You will check if link of head is null or not. So yes, this is head and head is pointing to first node, that is fine, and link of head is nothing but this one, and yes, it is null, isn't it? It means you have only one node in your linked list. So what you will do? You will simply delete the head or you will simply free the head. So if you will free the head or if you will make head pointing to nowhere or pointing to null, it means this linked list or this node is going to be deleted, isn't it? So you are going to delete this node and now you are left with 0 nodes in your linked list, isn't it? So this was the second case. First case we had no node, isn't it? And in second case we have only one. So now move to third case when we are going to have more than one node. So now since you are asked to delete first node and you have many nodes in your linked list, isn't it? You have 4 nodes in this example. You can have any number. If your linked list has more than one node, that is from 2 to any number, this is going to work. How? See, you will have an extra pointer called temp and temp will point to first node. Okay, so temp will have whatever be the value of head. So temp is going to hold the address of first node. It means temp is pointing to first node. Fine. Now what will you do? You will make head pointing to second node. How? Head is equals to head of link. So now your head is pointing to second node. Fine. So now head is pointing to B and not A. Understood? Now what you will do? You will free the temp. So if you will free the temp, it means you don't have anything called A, isn't it? Because temp was responsible for holding address of A, because now head is busy holding address of B, so temp was holding address of A and now you freed temp. It means you freed A, isn't it? So our first node is now B, second node is C and third node is D. So in this way you can delete your first node if you have more than one node in your linked list. First node deleted. Happy now? Now go and delete the last node. So guys, here I am not going to show you many cases, because if you have no node then there is nothing different from delete from beginning and delete from end, isn't it? Because if you have no node you cannot delete any node, and if you have only one node then that node is going to be your first node as well as your last node. So everything is same. If you are not very much confident, please go and watch. You will definitely understand. And now we have 3 nodes and we want to delete the last node because we are asked to delete the node from end. So yes, we are going to delete the last node. Okay, so what we have done, we have taken a pointer called temp and here we stored whatever be the value of head, that is 10. So temp is pointing to A. Fine, but now check if link of temp link of temp, sorry. So yes, link of temp is null or not. So link of temp is 20, and link of temp is 30, isn't it? So yes, 30 is not equals to null. It means temp is going to be temp of link, or link of temp, sorry. So this is going to be 20. Fine. So now your temp is pointing to B and not A. I hope you're understanding. This is kind of language is kind of a bit confusing, but you have code with you, so you can relate. Okay, now check if link of temp is null or not. So link of temp is 30 and link of temp is null. So yes, we got it. So no more iteration, you have to stop here. And what will you do? You will free link of temp. Okay, so you will free link of temp. So link of 20 or link of B is going to be 30, isn't it? So 30. So you have to delete the node whose address is 30. So delete this node. Yes, we have deleted. What next? Put temp, link of temp is equals to null. So your temp is 20 and link of temp was initially 30, but now it became null. So yes, it is the last node. Since we have deleted the last node, so second node became the last node. So I hope you understood. So first node deleted, last node deleted. Now I want you to delete third node from already existing linked list, of course with me. So let's go. We have to delete third node from already existing linked list. So let's go. So now we are asked to delete the third node, or the node whose data is C, isn't it? Because first node, second node, third node. Fine, you understood now. So initially what will we do? And yes, one more thing I forgot to mention here. We have one temp as always and one temp2. Why? You will understand. Okay, let's proceed. So initially temp is going to have value whatever be the value of head. So it is going to be 10. That is okay. It means your temp is pointing to A. Fine, but now check if data of next of temp or if data of link of temp is equals to C or not. So next of temp is 20. 20 means this node, isn't it? Because address of this node is 20. So is data equals to C? No, it's B. Then what is going to happen? Temp is going to be temp of link of temp, sorry. So this is going to be 20. Fine, it means your temp is now pointing to B. Fine. Now again check if data of next of temp is C or not. So C, next of temp is 30 and its data is C. Fine. So what do we supposed to do? We are not supposed to do anything. Loop is going to stop here. Loop will not iterate anymore. Okay, so what will happen? Temp2 is going to have the value whatever be the value of temp next of temp. Okay, so yes, next of temp is nothing but 30. So this is going to have 30 as its value. It means now temp2 is pointing to C. This is why we needed temp2. Okay, don't worry, you will understand. Now temp of next is going to have the value whatever be the value of temp2 of next. So since temp is pointing to 30, what is the value of temp2 of next? It is 40, isn't it? So 40 is going to be copied to temp of next, that is to this node. So now B is not pointing to C anymore, but B is pointing to D. Okay, yes, C is also pointing to D, but B is pointing to D. Okay, so now what will we do? We will free temp2. So only temp2 was responsible for holding the value of C, isn't it? Because now B is holding value of D. So when temp2 is lost or when temp2 is freed, it means we will get rid of this node, third node, isn't it? So now our linked list is A, B and D, isn't it? Because B is pointing to D. So I hope you understood everything which we discussed in this video. If no, then do let me know in comment section. By the way, what are the main operations which we can perform on linked list? Insertion done, deletion done, traversal done. So we are done with all the three main operations on linked list. Great, you guys are really smart. So I think we should wrap this video up now. So on this note, I'm wrapping up this video. So stay healthy, stay fit, love you all. This is Aishwarya signing off. Bye bye. Bye bye bye.